What is the 2-minute rule? Perhaps you have heard of productivity strategies like the Pomodoro technique or the 20-80 rule. The 2-minute rule is different. It was first established by David Allen in his book, Getting Things Done. The 2-minute rule aims to banish procrastination and help people accomplish small tasks. Here's what the rule says: if you can do an action in 2 minutes or less, tackle it at the moment, and don't delay. This has the potential to deliver long-term benefits. For example, if you spend 2 minutes a day picking clothes up from your bedroom floor, it won't take 30 minutes of your Saturday. Getting Things Done is a best-selling book for a reason. It helps inspire people to tackle tasks rather than let them build up into something much larger. That's empowering and useful if you're eager to stop procrastinating. But as a warning, the 2-minute rule is always the most effective strategy. There are both pros and cons to this method. Does it really work? No strategy is foolproof. The same goes for the 2-minute rule. This productivity tactic may help in some situations, but not make sense for others. To give a better sense of the 2-minute rule and all it encompasses, take a look at these pros and cons. Pros. You develop a more motivated mindset toward accomplishing tasks. You're rewarded with small wins that help you feel productive. It serves as a stepping stone for you to accomplish larger tasks. Cons. It prioritizes small things rather than your most important tasks. Your energy and resources aren't used for bigger projects. If it's not done properly, it can actually derail your productivity. Examples of the 2-minute rule. It's time to see what the 2-minute rule can look like in action. You can apply this strategy anywhere in your professional and personal lives. How you use this rule is critical. Applying it to important tasks that demand your full attention isn't necessarily the best use of your time and energy. Here are several 2-minute rule examples to consider. 1. Respond to a work email. 2. Share feedback on your work or projects. 3. Clean up the dishes right after you eat. 4. Water all of your plants at once. 5. Send a thank you note to a coworker or friend. 6. Meal prep your meals for the next day. Think about ways these examples, or similar ones, could transform your own routine.